The secret I'm about to tell you will blow your mind. Do you know you can start an online business with just 40,000 naira and make 10 million naira in 1 month, at least in revenue? I'm not selling you anything. I'm just here to lead you to the light. You can start right now, right here on social media. You do not need 40,000 naira. But with 40,000 naira, what can that get you? It can get you a website theme, it can get you a domain name, and it can get you a hosting plan. Those three things will make you have a full-blown website. But trust me, without them, you can start selling here on social media. To make money, you need to focus on two things. Who is my target customer? What are their needs? They have a need. So you need to find that product or service that they need, sell it to them, and collect money from them. That's the way the world works. I've broken down steps below which you can use to give that crazy idea you have a try. So for those that thought you need 10 million, 50 million, 100 million to start a business, hope I've been able to convince you.